ukuthi hey ngabona abantu banje bese ucabanga ukuthi sekunje. You understand? Well,
Yeah, sure. Food that I cook be like cool best I can do shoot yeah nigga cool kinda cool. This is how I do without no rules. Screw you nigga, you know I got the tool. Flow, part of the sea, roll, cut it the sea, nigga. I'm not hard no, but I can green up, patch, I measure, master, faster, best rapper, go get a be a better successor. They know me, you hold me, you owe me. Like Goldie, Nick Goldie, you go dick. Me represent my street with my name like street names. VinBash is the name. I confess, nigga, yeah, that's my rap name. Cause I spit shit quick, so listen close when I speak. Chicks get thrown in my tea, and lipstick stick on my tea. I'm looking on the beach, bake cake on my eat. My ex chick want me back like repeat. Cause she saw a white speech going black on my knees. We the first priority, nigga, we bad. If you wanna sleep for me, bitch, bring it to bed. Cause maybe my metaphors, metaphor, more. All the pussycat niggas who got idol. Me don't play nobody. She was the V even before the crucify car party. So nigga, you get me, I'm bro. Nobody can wrestle me dead, I'm sure. Please believe it. You nigga, you know, like once upon a time, could have broke the line, paid dues. Even though Hitler to the Holocaust, if you didn't know, niggas take so on edge to build their life. I see ya niggas have a kind of like stereos. Look at the watch, a quarter pace my radio time. Are they gonna play me like these bitches did? Cause I don't want fame to frame me without even taking a peek. The city of flights on the shedding, who's got the candy? Cause I always make a stick and I'm sick, can't picture. I only short, yeah, that's my life support, man. Yeah.